talking about the hunk, the Australian hunk, whom everyone loves. Like, if you're not on Team Iron Man or Team Captain America, or even if you are on either of these teams, you know, you still are probably with his team, like Thor team. Everyone loves Thor. Yeah, I believe. I mean, what's not to love about Chris Hemsworth, right? Yeah. So Chris Hemsworth, we saw him in the movie Men in Black, The International, alongside his co-star from the Avengers, from the Thor movies, Tessa Thompson and Liam Neeson. And it's a spin-off to the Men in Black series, but it's pretty good. You can check it out. I liked it, especially if you want something refreshing. Yes, if you want to watch Thor in a tux, then this movie is for you. And Chris Hemsworth looking dashing as ever. Another movie that is going to come out on 24th April on Netflix is called Extraction. Now I'm eagerly waiting for this movie, and I know my friends are. So this is an action-packed movie shot in India and Thailand, and as I read some articles, I got to know that Chris Evans believes this movie to be the most challenging in forms of action sequences throughout his career. Extraction is a long short movie. This movie, I want to say, is an Indian movie because it has so much of Indian cast. It has Pankaj Tripathi. So, I mean, Pankaj Tripathi, I say the name and I think comedy. Yes, all the way comedy. Pankaj Tripathi is equal to comedy for me. But no, it's not like that, because he's playing a crime lord or something whose son has been kidnapped. Now, Rudraj Jaiswal is probably making his debut in this movie. And that dude is so lucky. He got to be a part of a movie. I mean, if it's his debut movie, then he got the chance to act with Chris Hemsworth, which is so cool. And Randeep Hooda is in this movie. There's a lot of good actors in the movie. Good actors. Yeah, a lot of good actors in the movie. So Pankaj Tripathi, Randeep Hooda, Chris Hemsworth, and this movie is about basically a rescue mission, sort of. And yes, you can check it out on 24th April on Netflix. Okay, one more thing that I want to talk about is, you know, how. So if you have a surname which is very common, so for example, if you're a Kapoor or a Sharma or a Mishra, I don't know, but you have these instances where you meet a person, you don't know anything about them, but when you start talking, you probably realize that, oh, these are my relatives from like distant relatives, but these are your relatives, so you probably have a connection between them. I mean, you do have a connection between them. Similarly, with actors, I just love to find connections. So basically, what I'm talking about is the fact that this movie, the screenplay of Extraction is by, guess who? Who is working with Chris Hemsworth again? Who? Yes, it's Joe Russo and Anthony Russo. So the Russo brothers have teamed up to work with Chris Hemsworth on this movie, Extraction. Chris Hemsworth will also be seen in the upcoming movie that is in production, that has stopped right now due to the quarantine, but will resume production after the quarantine is over. Thor: Love and Thunder. Yes, I am so excited for that movie. Taika Waititi is directing this movie, and we're going to see something very awesome and crazy in this movie, I hope. And yes, I'm excited for it. He'll also be giving voice in the movie What If.